Hi Leos, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Leos. Let us see what is coming up, guys. We'll be picking a few cards, guys. So, actually, one card for your general energies, one card for your career, and one card for your love energy, guys. This is the card for your general energies, and this for your career, and this for your love energies, guys. And we'll be picking one card from the wisdom oracle deck. So we'll open the card at last, guys. So for your general energies, Leos, Knight of Pentacles. Leos, with this card, the energy is that you know your goals and you know what you need to achieve in life, and you are making the perfect choices to reach that, guys. So you are doing all your actions, your path, what is necessary for you to reach that goals with a full efforts, and you're feeling confidence and that determination and conviction in your action. So you are inching towards that success in your life, Leos. That is what I see here with this card. Something really positive, guys, for you all. And Seven of Wands in reverse. This is for your career. Leos, you are a person of a great determination and conviction, guys. Whatever you want to do, you do it in perfect order and you feel really happy for it. And maybe sometimes people don't see your worth, your true worth. They don't give you enough credit for what you are. So you may feel that your work or efforts are not recognized. You may feel people are ill treating you, sometimes some kind of embarrassments also may be there, and you feel really stressed because of that, guys, in your work area. Though you are the person with that strong determination, you are a really hard worker, people don't see your worth or they don't give you enough credit. So that's the energy here for your career, guys. So though things are going towards success because of your work, people don't recognize your work, guys. That is the energy with that card. So let us see what is the card for your relationship. Ten of Wands. With this card, Leos, the energy is that in this relationship, just like I said, you are the person of great efforts and action. You do your work in a particular way. That may be a hard way sometimes, guys, even in this relationship. You want things to go in a particular order, but this person may feel that you are burdening yourself and burdening them in this relationship. So certain responsibilities, they feel that you can relax them, but you are a person who shoulders that burden happily, and you feel that people should also do things go about in their life in a particular way. So sometimes some people may not like it, guys. That may be the reason for some kind of stress your person experiences in this relationship, Leos. So they may feel that you are burdening them also, making them also burdened in this relationship. So that is the energy here. Though this may be, this person may have that realization that you do things very well, that you put in great efforts to make things go happily towards that happy end, but still they feel that you are doing it the hard way. So you're not doing something that is easy, you are making things worse, you are making things really hard for them, guys, in this relationship. Maybe this person feels that they cannot be like you, they cannot put in that 100% effort or work, that determination may not be there. That may be the reason for some kind of difference in your relationship, Leos. Let us see what is the wisdom oracle message for you all, guys. Community. Leos, with this card, the oracle message for us is that we need to we have that sense of belonging, guys. We need to be understood, and we want to understand others, and we want people who are like minded like us to be in connection with us. That sense of family, that friendship, we need to have that, guys, because we are social beings. We need people in our life. So in our community everyone matters. So in our friends group, or in our work situation, or in this relationship, we need to have that sense of support, sense of understanding, and we need to feel that inspiration from others, and we need to contribute in a positive way, guys. So we need to realize our presence is important in the group, just like each and everyone's presence is important. So each and everyone has that equal value in that group. So that is what you need to feel today, guys, to build that sense of community. So in this relationship also, everyone has their own flaws, and we should be aware of our qualities and also of the other person. And you don't have to be perfect, you just have to be the better version of yourself to have that understanding with the other person. So you need to have that sense of belonging, sense of community in your relationship and in your life, guys. Such an apt card, guys. We were talking about the responsibilities, and maybe some people, they may feel in your relationship or in your work that you are too rigid, you do not want to be flexible, and maybe though they love you, they may not have that understanding because of that uh, area that you need to work. So the oracle message for you all, guys, is that you have to have that sense of belonging in the group or with this person, whoever you love. So you need to understand your role, and though all of us have mistakes, all of us have so many flaws, we should be aware of our dynamics, and we should be aware of our capacities and each one's capacities. Then we should try to be a better person of ourselves, to have that deep meaningful connection with the other person who is in relationship with us, guys. So that is the oracle's message for your Leos. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I will see you tomorrow with another reading, guys. Bye, Leos. Thank you for watching this video, guys.